guys, I know you are wondering who I am and what I am doing here. First, let me introduce myself. I am Sufiya Athirah Binti Mohamad Roslan with metric number 163628. I am from Group 20. I am the first year medical physics student from the School of Physics. As you know that this is a group assignment, so let's meet my group members.
Hello, my name is Husna Syamilah Binti Yusuf Lutfi with metric number 163815. For your information, I am the scriptwriter for this presentation.
Hello, people usually call me Alyaa, but my full name is Dini Binti Abdul. My metric number is 163562. I'm the editor of this presentation group.
So, they are my teammates who works very hard with me to complete this assignment. As you're aware, there is an Airpods Pro picture in the background. We are not putting this picture to promote their product, but today we are going to talk on how this product works. The Airpods Pro introduced many upgrades over the Apple's original wireless earbuds, including active noise cancellation, adjustable earpiece, and spatial audio technology. In other words, they are a high-end version of the Apple signature AirPods. Whether you are on the market for a new pair of wireless headphones or you want to get the latest of your existing pair, here is what you need to know about how the Airpods Pro works.
Is there any magnet in the AirPods?
The answer is yes. The tiny AirPods are magnetized. The magnets in AirPods are so small and permanently attached to the speakers. The magic of tiny AirPods magnet is to play the sound for you. Although the magnets of the AirPods are tiny, they can still generate a magnetic field. What is a magnetic field? A magnetic field is a picture that we use as a tool to describe how the magnetic force is distributed in the space around and within something magnetic. Most of us have some familiarity with everyday magnetic objects and recognize that there can be forces between them. We understand that magnets have two poles and that depending on the orientation of two magnets, there can be attraction or repulsion. We recognize that there is some region extending around a magnet where this happens. The magnetic field describes this region. In order to understand how the wireless earphones work, we are going to need to know a little bit about the wireless communication and technology. Wireless communication is simply the transmission of information between a transmitter and a receiver using electromagnetic radiation. It has a history that dates all the way back to the 1880s. Most modern-day wireless technology sends information using radio and microwave. Radio frequency wave and microwave are a part of the electromagnetic spectrum, which encompasses all the frequencies of electromagnetic radiation, including the visible light. Radio frequency and microwave radiation range from extremely low frequency radio wave, which can have frequencies as low as 3 Hz, to extremely high frequency microwave, which can have frequency up to a few hundreds gigahertz. We need modulation to make wireless earphones functioning. Modulation is a signal processing method that involves two types of the waveforms. First, we call the first type of the waveform is the carrier wave. The carrier wave or the carrier signal is usually a simple sinusoidal waveform. We call the second one is the modulator wave. The modulator wave is the signal that modifies some properties of the carrier wave and is the wave that actually contains the information that we want to transmit. The entire modification process is referred to modulation. By modulating the carrier wave with the modulator wave, we can encode the information into it and then we can transmit it through the space at the speed of the light. We use Bluetooth to transmit digital signals between devices when streaming digital audio. Wireless headphones works by receiving a digital audio signal, the building blocks of computer language that are either 0 or 1. An MP3 file is nothing more than a series of zeros and ones. The sequence of zeros and ones is sent from the transmitter, which is your smartphone, to the receiver, which is your wireless earphones, in the form of a modulated waveform.
Wait, is it dangerous for us to use?
As we know, Apple AirPods have small electromagnets in the speakers, which use the magnetic fields to create vibration in the speaker's cone. The sound wave creates the sound when the air produces vibration around the cone. Although it contains magnet, I don't think the AirPods are dangerous for kids and pets. They are still safe to be used near pets and children because these electromagnetic waves are very weak and harmless. To sum up, I think the Airpods Pro is one of the best examples for the application of electromagnet since it has been used by humans around the world. I think that's all from us. Thank you for listening.